Hey y'all, welcome to Sweet Southern Living. Today we're in Gulf Shores, just off of County Road 8, and we're going to drive you through two brand new RV resorts. They're called Whispering Pines, and there are two sections. This first section is the east side, and it is the smaller of the two with 29 sites. One of the first things you'll notice is how large these sites are. They're oversized lots with concrete pads, of course. They're big enough that even with the full-size campers, like some of these are like the 45-foot campers, you still have plenty of room for your full-size truck to sit in the front. And they're wide enough that if you have two vehicles like we do, they will both fit on the site with you, which is great. Like I said, there's 29 sites on this side, and they are, of course, full hookup. They have 30 and 50 amp power, and all of your utilities are on a single pedestal in here. So your power, your internet, your water, everything's on a single pedestal. I thought that was pretty unique. They have both sections have a pool. They, of course, have showers and restroom facilities. They have laundry room. They have like a clubhouse that has a nice kitchen in it. They have a playground area planned. They do have the equipment on site, but it's not set yet. But I know that they're working on that, and we'll probably have that up soon. So we're going to take you into this first section's clubhouse, and then after that we'll drive over to the west side. Okay, so now we'll drive over to the second side of the resort, which is the west side. It is the larger of the two with 93 sites, so it's quite a bit larger. It has the same amenities as far as the clubhouse. It has the kitchen area and a laundry facility and the restrooms and showers. Its pool is different a little bit. I'm not sure it's really larger, but it's definitely different and nicer. And like I said, it's a lot bigger as far as the amount of sites that are in here. And these right here on the right are the pull-throughs, and as you can see, they are huge. Like, there's enough room on there that if you have like a 45-foot toy hauler like we do, you can pull your toy hauler in, let down your garage, and still have room for everything to fit on a single site, which is really nice. I don't think they have a dog park over here yet. I'm not sure if they have. I don't think the playground equipment's up either. So, but let's just drive through and you can see for yourself. here's the fancier pool I told y'all about. It has this zero entry with the fountains right here. That's really fun. It has a different shape. I don't think that it's really bigger than the other one, but just kind of fancier. It has a tanning ledge down here on the other end, and it is 4 foot deep. One of the things I did forget to mention, the shower house, there are no doors on the showers yet, so no shower curtains, no doors, so bring your own, I guess. So like I told you, these lots are available for purchase, and here's some of the information that they have in the boxes up front if you're interested. Here is Levi's contact information, and they also have all of this information on their website. Thanks for watching, y'all. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please remember to give us a thumbs up, and we'd love it if you'd subscribe to the channel.